Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce compliance costs with Trustwave. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current compliance requirements. Gather all relevant regulations specific to your industry. Review existing compliance processes and resources within your organization. Identify areas where costs are high or efficiency is lacking. Research Trustwave's compliance solutions and services. Sign up for a consultation with Trustwave to discuss your needs. Prepare a list of questions and scenarios related to your compliance challenges. During the consultation, outline your current compliance framework. Ask how Trustwave can help optimize and streamline your processes. Request case studies or examples of businesses similar to yours that have benefited. Evaluate the various solutions that Trustwave offers, focusing on cost effectiveness. Consider implementing Trustwave's automated compliance reporting tools. Review any managed security services that can reduce your compliance burden. Develop a compliance roadmap in collaboration with Trustwave's experts. Set clear goals with measurable outcomes for your compliance journey. Create a timeline for implementing Trustwave's recommended solutions. Allocate budget resources specifically for compliance management improvement. Regularly monitor compliance activities and results with Trustwave's tools. Schedule periodic reviews to assess the effectiveness of the implemented solutions. Adjust your strategies as necessary based on performance data. Communicate updates and progress to your stakeholders consistently. Celebrate milestones achieved in reducing compliance costs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.